PRI 2015. I'm in the Strange Engineering booth with Jim Kanji. Did I get the name right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Look, you guys are known for crazy power stuff. Lots of drag racing, rear ends. I mean, you guys make it all work. But you're in the oval business now, right?
Correct.
Okay, I see a couple things here. I see axles and I see drive plates. Let's talk about the axles first. What are you guys doing for the oval guys?
Historically, what axles that are made today are made quite thick, and that's so they don't break. And what I'm doing now is dropping the axle diameters down more in line with the torque output of the motor.
Because if they're thick, they're heavy, right?
That's true. And as well, if they're thick, nowadays, we're looking for the axle to move or wrap or twist. So basically when the axle twists, you're not as quick to break traction on the tire, which basically serves as a traction control device, giving you a little bit more forward bite.
Nice. Now, also, are these available solid and maybe gun drilled for lightness?
Absolutely. We will drop down on the solid axles, we'll drop down a bit more in diameter because of the horsepower output of these cars that require a solid axle by rule. We can go down in diameter and make it a bit thinner.
Nice. Now talk to me about the end finish of some of these axles.
But basically we're making, everything we make is a rem finish, so it's a nice shiny polish, but that's, it's not for aesthetics, that's for
there's a reason for it, right?
Absolutely. And then we run our drive plate along with it on the outer spline, so you have a nice tight fit, and we run, outside of any other competitor, we run a tighter tolerance so you don't get as much rocking on this drive plate against the axle spline, which prolongs the axle spline life.
Last thing you want to slop in your drivetrain, right?
Exactly.
All right, you got the axle. Talk to me about the drive plate.
Well, the drive plate is something different we do is taking the aluminum housing and press fitting in a steel insert. Normally those that are sold are aluminum body throughout, and you're running a steel axle against a aluminum drive plate.
Not a good combination, right?
It's a little bit, it can not hold up as well, sure. Yes. And so basically by pushing that steel insert, you're running steel axle against steel splines in the drive plate, and you just increase the durability by probably 4 times the amount of
strength and durability with a steel is an awesome combination, right?
Absolutely, and you really don't give it up that much weight by maintaining this aluminum body. The steel insert adds a little bit, but the durability. It's all
in the center. That's where you want it, though, right?
And absolutely, and the durability outweighs what little weight gain it may be over the standard one.
Yeah, we'd rather have the thing last a long time than maybe shave off.
There you go.
A millisecond of time, right?
A couple ounces, yeah. Really.
Okay, now you guys have the axles, you have the drive plates. I know you guys do a lot more. Where does a guy go to find out all the information on the Strange products? You
can reach us on you go to the website at www.strangeoval.com, and basically we can give you and recommend the proper diameter axles for your torque output for your motor or your application, so we can specifically tune the axle diameter to your particular race car.
Awesome, Jim, always good to see you.
Thank you.
You guys have done a ton of stuff with drag racing, but watch out, Strange is coming to the ovals.
Thank you, sir.